So I've got 3 days left for my challenges. And I've got 4 challenges. One of them is a juggling challenge, 3 of the others are languages. So if you've been following my videos, you'll know what they are. It's to level up in 3 languages, so it's Kurdish, Mandarin and Polish. And the juggling one is to be able to juggle 4 balls. So I can juggle and speak French, I can juggle and speak Spanish, I can juggle and speak English, but I can't juggle and speak Polish at the same time. These exercises I'm doing, I'm trying to be a bit creative and because I'm trying to learn to juggle 4 balls and it's 2 in each hand. And I'm having trouble just doing 2 in this hand and 2 in this hand. So I'm trying to flick backwards and forwards between doing 3 and 2 as a kind of transition. I don't know if this is a good thing to do, but it's given me a break from the monotonous just doing this all the time. Well, not being able to do it, but I'm hoping that going back to it will enable me to do it a bit better. See, it's getting the consistency of not veering towards one side, which I tend to do. See, my right hand I can do about 50 or 60 of these. When it comes to my left hand's all over the place. I have to keep swapping. No, quite difficult. It's May the 28th, so I've got 3 days left for my challenge. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do the 4 balls. I mean, you don't know, it might just come together. The other day I had a go at doing 4 balls. By the way, I made a new juggling ball out of a sock, thanks to Mike Cor's Circus tips. So there you go, Mike Cor. There's your sock juggling ball. I made it a bit big actually, so I might have to just reduce the amount of rice inside. So this is made from an old sock, a carrier bag and some rice. It's quite simple. I'll put the link below so you can see how to do it. So just doing 4, I was trying to do this kind of thing, but I'm not ready to do it yet. But the other day I did a random thing and I got about 10 catches actually. It's the first time I've ever done that. So it might be like a case of 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Just keep trying to practice. Let's have another go at speaking Polish while I'm trying to juggle with 2 balls. Cześć, dzień dobry, mam na imię Andy, nazywam się KURDISH, mam 59 lat. Nie lubię oglądać telewizję, ale lubię uczyć się języki. Lubię języku po polsku. Czekam, kiedy mogę wrócić na pracę, bo jestem tutaj 9 tygodni. Difficult to do it and speak, try and think at the same time. So I did something quite foolish. Last week I went a bit mad on italki and I booked up quite a few lessons. So you might be thinking that would help me towards my goals. I booked a lesson in Italian and another one in Arabic. What's that got to do with Polish, Mandarin or Kurdish? No, seriously, I was getting... I'm not bored with learning those 3 languages, there's enough to keep me going there, but I just felt like I needed to have a little bit of a break and do some language maintaining. So I've had an idea of, rather than have language goals, I might do a month of maintaining a particular language that I've tried to learn in the past. So I was thinking that Arabic might be a good one because that will help me with my Kurdish. How's that going to help me with my Kurdish, you're going to say? Because they're completely different languages, but script-wise, they're very similar. So Arabic has 28 letters, I think, and Kurdish has about 33. I know I've probably got that wrong, but by the time I make this video, there'll be a picture up here saying how many there actually are. See if I was right. I don't know if I was right. Anyway, both the languages are written very similarly, so that's going to help me. That's me waffling